Hi and welcome to a new video. Are you experiencing a frustrating issue where your iPhone's camera app displays nothing but a black screen? This can happen for a variety of reasons and can be attributed to either a software glitch or a hardware malfunction. In this video, I will recommend a few simple steps that can potentially solve the black screen issue with your iPhone camera. Let's go. To get started, let's try some basic troubleshooting steps. First, check for any obstructions that might block the device's sensors, such as phone cases or films. Next, test out your camera by switching between the front and rear modes to see if it makes a difference. Another option is to use a third-party camera app like Snapchat or Instagram to determine if the camera works outside of the built-in camera app. This will make it easier to distinguish whether the problem lies with the iPhone camera itself or just the native camera application. If none of these steps helped, you can try force quitting the camera app instead. For iPhones with Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the home screen until the app switcher appears. Then swipe up on the camera window to force quit it. On iPhones with a physical home button, simply double press it and then quit the app. You can also try to force restart your device. This approach is very simple, but it frequently fixes any minor software glitches on your iPhone. For iPhone 8 or newer models, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button and release it when the Apple logo appears. If you're using an older iPhone model, you can refer at the tag in the top right corner or find the link to the Apple support page in the description below to know how to force restart your device properly. Sometimes app glitches occur due to outdated iOS versions. By keeping your iOS up to date, you can ensure that you continue to use the latest functions in most apps. To update to the latest iOS version, go to Settings, select General, and tap on Software Update. Download and install the update if it is available. Hopefully, one of these fixes has helped resolve the issue with your iPhone camera. Let me know in the comment section below which solution worked for you. If all software-related solutions fail to fix the problem, it could be the result of an unintentional drop or another event that caused damage, resulting in hardware malfunction on your iOS device. For hardware problems, the best approach is to contact Apple support. If your device is still under warranty, they may be able to repair it at no charge. If not, they should be able to diagnose the problem and give you an estimate of the repair cost. You can either visit the nearest Apple Service Center or contact them directly via chat or call on their web platform. To contact them online, open your browser and visit support.apple.com on your iPhone or computer. From the dashboard, browse to the Get Support section and click Start Now. For more personalized support, sign in with your Apple ID and follow the on-screen instructions to start your request. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.